Okay, so today we're getting started on the siding. We had to bring all the pieces in here and separate them by length. We ordered them cut size because it was priced by the foot, so it was better to buy it that way. So we've got all of our different stacks of our different sizes leaning up everywhere, and then as we need them, we come in and get them. Let's see how it goes. We've got all the trim is done now. Got it all broke and the J-channel wrapped around everything. They'll have to get caulked in, but we'll do after that after we get the siding all hung and all of that. Me and Matt finished this end up yesterday. Patio door and the large windows up top. There's a lot of trim cutting. But we're starting off on the back here and already got a little bit hung. This section done over here. Jordan and Oliver working with us today too. Oliver's throwing rocks. Alright, we're gonna get something done. Are you working? Okay, so here we are after day one of siding. We only got this one porch wall done. It was just a little bit slow. The stuff's a little bit more difficult to work with just because it's not flexible like vinyl. But it turns out looking really good. The finish looks nice. The stuff's gonna last forever. So, really happy with it. Like the way it's turning out. We'll see how tomorrow goes. Okay, so here's the plan for today. We're getting started on this end. And try to get siding ran across. Be tricky. There's a lot of stuff to cut around, but we'll get it figured out. Alright, so here we are. This is the progress today. Got this whole gable end done. All the way across. It's turning out pretty cool. Really like the way it looks. Sophie helped us finish up, didn't you?
Last push we needed.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright. Well, tomorrow we're either starting on this side or the other gable end. We're not sure yet, but we'll see you tomorrow.